Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Today what I have for you guys is I'm gonna be pulling my Go Train, my MP40PH 624 is pulling a 9 cars of train. So it's just like the same, we saw those in the new scheme. So right now we have pretty much every, we have a MP40PH 624. And here are the lights. That's the lights there. And this is the this is actually the longest MP40PH train I ever get to see. I'm just gonna So that's that. And here are actually this is the coaches right here. And these are the coaches. So let's just run this for now. And once that will be done, I'm gonna film the 600, and that will be the final video to watch. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's just run this. Here we go. I might actually start this in the front so you might better have a better view when the lights are on. So here we go. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like and leave a comment down below. And please let me know if you guys have any comments, or whether you want me to do a 10 cars trains or do a full 12 cars trains instead. So I'm gonna do another video, but this one's gonna be MP4600.